Now I gotta ride or die.
Hello guys. Today I am going to show you what fixed my turn signals not blinking, but glowing constantly. As you can see, they're just glowing and not working properly. Some people said I need to wire some resistors to my rear LED lights. But I found out that I could install LED turn signal relay, so that is what I did. Mine is located under the seat and it is a 2-contact relay. Some motorcycles have 3-contact relays. This is the original relay. It's straightforward, just remove the old one and install the new one. The relay is in, let's test it out. And as you can see, they are blinking now, and no resistors required. The relay cost me $10. Thanks for watching, hope this video is helpful.